Okay, so usually when I am working on my corner to corner crochet projects, I use double crochets. But in this project, I'm actually using half double crochets, which makes my little squares, my little boxes here on the pixel graph, makes them a little smaller and a little tighter, which I like for certain projects like this one. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So instead of chaining 3, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to make 3 half double crochets instead of 3 double crochets. And then I'm going to switch colors. See, I'm pulling up from my previous row, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. I'm going to make a chain 2, 3 half double crochets. Okay? And look, do you see how this is sticking out a little bit? I just be sure and pull those tight. It makes for a nice clean box there. Okay, slip stitch to join, chain 2, make 3 half double crochets, and now I'm going to switch colors again. Join. Remember, pull that tight. Chain 2. 3 half double crochets.